over hypotenuse. Opposite, 24. H is 30. I think this one can be simplified, so I plug it in. 24 divided by 30 gives me 4.4 over 5. Cosine of W, here's W. So opposite, adjacent. Oh, sorry, this is the hypotenuse. This one's the adjacent. Make sure you're careful about that. That's why I tell you to do hypotenuse first. I don't always do it first, and then I end up having to do that. So if you do the hypotenuse first, it's easier to find the adjacent. So cosine, half. So we've got 56 over 65. And that cannot be simplified.
This one's like secondary to we're not really solving.
Yeah, we're not solving, there's no real processes that you have to do. You're just plugging it in and then telling me what the result is. Next time, we're gonna have some equations that you'll actually have to like multiply some numbers and stuff. But we'll get there. So this is just the intro to it. So, reminder, use calculator to find the following values. So, on these calculators you hit trig. You guys don't always like to use those though. What calculators do y'all like to use?
Those that one,
The old-
those one.
What about your phone calculator?
Yeah.
So, on my phone calculator, on this upright version, I can't see it, but if I go to the side version, look, I've got sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine, 38, 0.61566. They're really long numbers. But we can just do the first bit. Oh, you guys can't see what I just did. See, I want to be in degrees. If I'm in radicals, I get something different. You want to make sure that you're in the right. So, use your calculator. I use sine of 38 So you want to make sure that you're in degrees. So cosine 49 0.656. I like to go until there's like a 0 or you don't have to round. Tangent 77 gives me 4.331. Notice how sine and cosine will always start with a 0. Tangent not so much. You can use the calculator app on your computer or everything. So I look here, I don't see, oh look, there's a trigonometry right here. So I can pick sine 22. And then I have to hit sine, it looks like. Yeah, sine of 22. That is 0.376. No matter what calculators you use, you want to make sure you're in degrees. Because degrees and radians are two different ways of measuring the angle. And you want to make sure that you're putting it in with degrees. I've been a little bit of a lazy bones. I've fallen a little bit behind on grading. I'm going to spend a lot of today making sure that I've got all of your grades.
Yes, sir. Can I borrow your notes for last class?
Yes. They're also on Canvas if you prefer that.
Alright. I do.
But I've got the notes right here. So, we're going to do some more delta math.
Thank you.
Delta math. If you guys need a copy of today's notes, they're being passed around. The last classes is on delta math or on Canvas. So, if you go in one of these, I just had it up. You guys saw it. Well, it looks like they signed me up. So you'll log into Delta Math. This is what mine looks like. But if you go to sample student page, today is a B day. So you should have intro to trig ratios. You might have sides of a right triangle still up. But you can finish that. But today's intro to trig ratios. There's 6 questions. Right here, find the value of tan z rounded to the nearest 100. So I can hit the calculator. I want tangent. So I'm going to hit don't need to type out tangent, because tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So 2z, what is opposite of z? 40. And then what is adjacent to z? Oh, I don't know what's adjacent to z. I only know the hypotenuse. So here it wants you to do Pythagorean theorem. If you don't want to do that, you can just put in a number. Get a new equation. Right here, they want you to use the Pythagorean theorem. Sometimes that happens, you can just go to the next problem. Find the value of sine of r. So r, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 12. The hypotenuse, 27. They want it rounded to the nearest hundredth, that's 2 decimal points. 0.44. Value of sine k rounded to the nearest hundredth. Sine. I don't like this. Let me change this a little bit so that you get identified. Yes. I'm gonna edit this assignment a little bit. Okay, I changed it so that